Good day, everyone. My name is JP Santaramana from grade 12 NYU. Now, we are tasked to create a program that shows the name of the user and get two numbers from the user. As you can see the screen, so nakita nyo ba yung screen? Ito ang ginagawa kong program. So, firstly, as you can see, we introduce our program. Using the function cout, we display the information asked for the user to input some information tulad ng name and dalawang integers. So, asan yun? Ito yun. Then, we save the name under the name variable using cin. So, asan yun? Ito naman yun. Then, sinave natin yung dalawang integers kay A at B. Yan, sinave natin. After that, we display the information using the function cout. Just make sure lang na tama yung ilalagay natin na function para di magka-error. For this one, we use this to swap the two integers provided by the user. Yung value is mapupunta kay B at ang value naman ni B mapupunta kay A. Then let's see if it works. Click natin yung run. Then lagay natin yung name. Then tapos yung integer for na isa-save sa A at integer na isa-save sa B. Kahit anong number na ilagay natin. Then, enter. Makikita natin na naka-display yung mga information na i-input natin at yung swap integers. And, tignan natin kung gagana. Yes, gumana yung program natin. So, thank you everyone. That's all my presentation.